Welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. Today's video is about Filmora 14. This AI video generator and AI video editing tool will help you create viral videos like a pro. So sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end as I walk you through how to use Filmora 14 to generate and edit videos. If you are new to my channel, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, like and share this video, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button for more valuable videos. Filmora helps you transform your video editing. In this video, you will discover the easiest way to edit your videos with AI. Edit like a pro, 10 times faster and more affordably. Let me show you how to get started. Experience the new version of Filmora, bringing AI-powered video editing to your fingertips. And the most wonderful part is that it is available on all major platforms. Now, to get started with Filmora 14, follow the link in the description below and head over to their website. On the top right of the website, click on Download or Get Started for free on their website. After downloading Filmora, you now have access to all the exciting features that will take your creativity to a whole new level. Let's discuss these features one after the other. The first feature is the AI Smart Short Clips. This feature allows you to let Filmora's AI do the work. It transforms your lengthy footage into captivating short clips, perfect for social media.
Welcome to our show. Today we have a lovely couple with us, Alex and Jamie.
The second feature is the AI Automatic Caption. With this feature, you can say goodbye to manual captioning. Filmora's AI generates precise captions, enhancing accessibility and engagement. The third feature allows you to customize with AI color palette and keyframes. You can elevate your video quality with Filmora's AI color, matching, and keyframe adjustments. With this, you achieve those professional results you have been looking for effortlessly. Let me show you the next feature, which makes video editing super easy. This feature is called Text-Based Editing and AI Thumbnails. This feature helps you to edit videos with simple prompts and create eye-catching thumbnails with AI, which helps to boost your content's visibility and impact in return. So you see, I'm sure you have seen how Filmora 14 simplifies video editing with advanced AI features. Go ahead, follow the link in the description, download Filmora for free, and turn your creative visions into reality. Thank you so much for watching. I am sure you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and leave a comment below. To get notified about my new videos, kindly turn on the notification button